Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Virgin Media TV box not working. Full setup, boot and signal troubleshooting fix guide. Fix 1. Check power and restart the TV box. Turn off the TV box using the power switch or wall socket. Unplug the power cable for 30 seconds. Check that the power cable is firmly connected. Plug the box back in and turn it on. Allow up to 10 minutes for the box to fully restart. Fix 2. Verify HDMI connections. Ensure the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the TV box and TV. Try a different HDMI port on the TV. Use your TV remote to select the correct HDMI input source. Test with another HDMI cable if available. Fix 3. Check coaxial and signal cables. Inspect the coaxial cable connected to the Vision wall socket. Tighten any loose connectors. Check splitter connections if your setup uses one. Look for damaged or bent cables and replace them if necessary. Fix 4. Restart your Virgin Media Hub. Turn off your Virgin Media Hub router. Wait 30 seconds. Turn it back on. Wait until the white status light becomes steady. Restart the TV box afterward. Fix 5. Check the TV box status light. Common light indicators include white light, box is powered on normally, red light, box is in standby mode, amber light, system fault detected, flashing light, startup or hardware issue, no light, no power reaching the box. Fix 6. Stuck boot or welcome screen issues. Turn the box off at the wall, leave it powered off for 5 minutes, turn it back on and wait for the boot process to complete. If the box repeatedly restarts or stays on the welcome screen, it may require replacement. Fix 7. Check for local service outages. Open the My Vision Media app or service status page. Check for outages or maintenance in your area. Wait for Vision Media to resolve any reported network issues. Fix 8. Test the remote control. If the TV box works but doesn't respond, replace the remote batteries. Repair the remote with the TV box. Try controlling the box using the Vision TV app if available. Fix 9. Factory reset the TV box. Power off the TV box. Follow the reset procedure for your specific Virgin TV model. Allow the box to reinstall software and reconnect to the network. Note that some settings and recordings may be lost. Fix 10. Contact Virgin Media Support. If your TV box still won't boot, shows flashing amber lights, repeatedly loses signal, or remains stuck on startup screens, the hardware may be faulty and require an engineer visit or box replacement. Contact Virgin Media Support. Open the Vision Media Health section and run a TV service diagnostic test. Check for service faults in your area. Use live chat or call support. Book an engineer visit if the diagnostics identify a hardware or signal fault. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.